Resorts World Manila is the country's pioneering integrated resort. We introduced the entire idea, the entire concept of integrated resorts in the Philippines. We have everything under one roof, under one facility. The Grand Bar and Lounge is a recent development as far as Resorts World Manila is concerned. When we thought of putting up this entire new facility called the Grand Wing, we have a stage that elevates while a performance is ongoing. We have the lamella technology that allows our stage to take on any form. And that requires great visual projection.
Epson before is they're using only small scale projection, and then they introduced yung laser projection with 25,000 lumens. This is the time that we decided to use Epson. Because of low maintenance, cost efficient and durable, those were the reasons that we chose Epson laser projection. With Epson high brightness projectors, Resorts World Manila is on the right track in making its venues state-of-the-art and truly world-class. We get to thrill our guests and every chance we get.
And that's why we have actually partnered with the world's best for that.